Hello all. Now we will start off with Alankaram. In the previous lessons we have learned Svaravali versicle, Janta versicle, Apasthai versicle, Data versicle. You can find the videos for the same. The reason for us to learn Alankaram is until Alankaram, that is until Data versicle, everything was made on Aditalam, which goes this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The reason for us to learn Alankaram is to get exposed to multiple talams. Because the subsequent sections like Geetam, Varnam, Kirtani, everything will be based on multiple talams and not only based on Aditalam. So the reason of us learning Alankaram is to get exposed to multiple talams. And it's relatively easy as compared to the previous ones. Since because the focus is primarily on talam, you might have to ensure the talam is not missed or skipped. Let's get started with the first Alankaram, which is Chatushra Jadi Dhruva Talam. Chatushram means 4. So we generally split it as Lagu Dhritam Anudhritam, right? The first one is Chatushra Jadi Dhruva Talam. I will tell you how it is put. Sa re ga ma. This is Lagu. Ga re Dhritam. Sa re ga re. Lagu again. Sa re ga ma. So the total count is 14. 4, 2, 4, 4. The first 4 is Lagu. The 2 is Dhritam. Again 4 Lagu. Again 4 is Lagu. I'll tell you how to put it again. I'll slightly sing the whole song for you and you will understand. Sa re ga ma ga re, sa re ga re, sa re ga ma pa ma ga re ga ma pa dha pa ma pa dha ni da pa ma pa dha ni pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ni da pa dha ni sa ni da pa dha ni sa ni da pa ni da pa ma pa dha ni da pa dha ni da pa ma dha pa ma ga ma pa dha pa ma pa dha pa ma ga pa ma ga re ga ma pa ma ga re ma ga re sa re ga ma ga re sa. So now I will play the first one for you. First I will play without Gamaka so that you can learn it, and then I will play with Gamaka. Okay? Re ma pa ma ga So now I will play with Gamaka. Please have a closer look. So Re should be played like Sari, 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 and Ga should be played from Re. Re, Maga, 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 Maga. Then again when you play Re in the Avarohanam, you should be playing Maga, Mari, Sari, 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 Sa. Okay, I'll play it again. Pa, I'm playing in the second string itself. Riga ma pa ma ga riga ma pa. Ga ma pa da pa ma ga ma pa da. Ma pa da ni da pa ma pa da pa ma pa da ni. Ni should be played exactly like how we play Ga in the second string, right? So Ni should be played like, when you play Ni, it should be played from Da, just like how we play Ga from Re, right? Okay. Next. Pada ni sa ni da pada ni da pada ni sa. Now we need to play the Avarohanam part. Now sa ni da pada ni sa ni da ni sa ni da pa. The sa should be played from pa. So I played Da in the second string itself because I'm playing with Gamaka. I play it again for you, you can have a look. So the Da is very closer to Pa, just like how we have it here, it's closer to Pa. Da pa ma ga ma pa da pa ma ga. Now pa ma ga re ga ma pa ma ga re. The pa should be played from sa. Ma ga re sa re ga ma ga re sa.